The Senate of Pakistan condemns terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, emphasizes that killing of innocent civilians is contrary to the values upheld by Pakistan, rejects all frivolous and baseless attempts to link Pakistan with the Pahalgam attack of 22nd April 2025 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, condemns the orchestrated and malafide campaign by the Indian government to malign Pakistan, which follows a familiar pattern of exploiting the issue of terrorism for a narrow political gain.
Pakistan vehemently rejects the Indian announcement to hold the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. The treaty is a binding international agreement brokered by World Bank and contains no provision for unilateral suspension. Water is a vital national interest of Pakistan, a lifeline for its 240 million people, and its availability will be safeguarded at all costs. Any attempt to stop or divert the flow of water belonging to Pakistan, as per the Indus Water Treaty, and the usurpation of the rights of Lower Riparian will be considered as an act of war and responded with full force across the complete spectrum of national power. Pakistan shall close down the Wagah border post with immediate effect. All cross-border transit from India through this route shall be suspended without exception. Those who have crossed with valid endorsement may return through that route immediately, but not later than 30th April 2025. Pakistan suspends all visas under SAARC visa exemption scheme issued to all Indian nationals and deems them cancelled with immediate effect, with the exception of Sikh religious pilgrims. Indian nationals currently in Pakistan under SAARC visa exemption scheme are instructed to exit within 48 hours, less Sikh pilgrims. Pakistan declares the Indian Defence, Naval and Air Advisors in Islamabad persona non grata. They are directed to leave Pakistan immediately, but not later than 30th April 2025. The National Security Committee underscored that Pakistan, its armed forces, remain fully capable and prepared to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity against any misadventure, as clearly demonstrated by its mired yet resolute response to India's reckless incursion in February 2019.
इस मौके पे मैं आलमी दुनिया से जो अमन व अमा के नंबरदार बने बैठे हैं उनसे ये कहता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान से ये सवाल किया जाए कि इतनी ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी होने के बावजूद अगर आप अपने सियाह को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ नहीं दे सके तो आपने कश्मीर में जो दफ़ा 370 को वायलेट किया और आप कहते थे हमने कश्मीर में अमन लाया, आपकी ये मकारी और इस झूठ का ये मुंह बोलता सबूत है। हिंदुस्तान न कल कश्मीर का था, ना आज कश्मीर का है, ना सारी ज़िंदगी वो इन कश्मीरियों पे अपनी दस्तरस कायम रख सकता है।
In this instant, as you've seen, it was a terrorist attack in Indian-occupied Kashmir, and the Indian government lost no time in blaming Pakistan, and by doing so, it might be successful in distracting its own population, but ultimately the internal issues or the threat of terrorism by and large goes unaddressed.
फिर वक्त ना ही आप देखते रहिए ना ही न्यूज़।